good morning everyone. This is Anita C. So I'm still in the middle of my New Zealand 2-week vacation. But something happened last night regarding this reservation and this hotel stay. So I was pretty upset and I want to record this clip to let you know what happened. So actually I have left Stella apartment already. So you can see now I'm in Queenstown in a nice hotel, which you will find in another video. But anyway, regarding this Stella apartment, this video, I would like to let you know that after I check out, last night I received a message from the host saying that, there is some burn mark on the table at the apartment that we stay, and they would like to charge us the penalty of 150 New Zealand dollar. First of all, I normally do not talk about hotel room rate because it can fluctuate, and I do not want, to make a record for anyone to follow and go to the hotel and harass them or whatever. But anyway, this is a super expensive stay, okay? I booked it via booking.com. Just for one night, I'm paying 1,265 New Zealand dollar, which is equivalent to about 760 US dollar. So imagine what you see below, the room tour of the Stella apartment cost me 760 US dollar. So it's not a cheap stay. It's more like an Airbnb without anything, but I make the decision because I booked the dark sky project the night before and it will be very late and I do not know the environment, so I want to stay somewhere closer. And of course my mistake, I did not book in advance, but actually I did book more than 3 months in advance, but because it's peak season, everything is sold out. So I made the decision to go through booking.com to book this Stella apartment. And I'm not complaining about room rate or anything, but with this room charges and everything, they come back and send me this message and saying there's a burn mark that we made, and they asked us to pay the penalty 150 New Zealand dollar. I think they are stupid. I think they think we are stupid. And I just want to let you know, the good thing is because of this channel, I do my first take video and took a lot of photos. So what I see is what I got when I walk in. So I prove that when I walk in, the table is already like that, and I have everything to prove. But then they still come back and say, oh, you need to show the evidence, da 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 da. So to me, is a lesson learned is, for you to stay in a non-hotel property, I have stayed at Airbnb before, okay, and the host very nice and nothing happened. But for this specific case, I do not know what happened, but obviously if they check the room depth forest, they could not have not spotted it before our arrival. So to me is somehow it's not ethical, to point this out and point to us and ask us to pay for the damage. First of all, there's nothing in our luggage that can make that burn mark at all, okay? And the second thing is, as I say, when you watch the video, you will see, I walk in, I take the video, I have the timestamp of the photo, and everything that can prove that it was already there when we walk in. So lucky for me, but I just want to give a heads up to all of you who stay at the non-hotel property, using the OTA like booking.com platform to really take photos or video when you walk in. So if something like this happens, you will have the evidence. Although I still do not believe we should provide evidence to prove. What if I don't have the photos? What if I don't have the videos? So, they are going to charge me. They have my credit card on file and everything. So I do not like this experience, and that's why I want to let you know about it. I will still have the room tour after my talk here because that serves as the evidence for me. But if you want to skip, you can skip it because that is not a property that I will recommend you to stay in Lake Tepako. Okay, have a nice day. Bye now. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. We are at Lake Tepako, and actually It's peak season, so all the hotel room is sold out. I want to book Peppers, but I cannot, so I booked the Stella apartment via booking.com. Anyway, so we're at Unit C, and it's quite challenging to get into the room. Okay, so they will give you a code, and then you put in the code, and then the code doesn't open the door. Instead, it opens the lockbox, and you have to get the key from the lockbox in order to open the door. So after calling the host, we figure it out, and I'm going to give you a very quick room tour. Okay, so actually it's very expensive during this time of the year, and again, because everything is sold out, so we have to book it, and you cannot believe it's so expensive. Okay, so when you walk in, it's actually the bedroom. Okay, so you can see definitely it's not the best, but it's not the worst. And when I say it's very expensive, is over $1,000 New Zealand dollar per night for this room. So to me, it's very, very expensive. Okay, so and then when you walk in, this is the bathroom. It's still clean and neat, but I guess they only have the shampoo and body gel, and then a normal shower head. Okay, so they put the 2 towel there. I guess that's all we have. We're only here for one night because we do need to go to the dark sky experience tonight, and that's why we want to stay here, and we would like to go hiking tomorrow around Mount Cook. So we have to stay here tonight. So anyway, so this is the living room area, and small dining table, kitchenette, microwave, dishwasher, the oven, and I think they may have all the cutlery. Yep, they have some cutleries in here in case you want to cook, and then a fridge in here, and also the Wi-Fi account and password, and then the small television here, also with some tea or coffee. Okay, so they do have a little walkout here, but it's facing the main road, but that's okay. So that's basically where we'll be staying for one night. And with our experience, if you really want to come and stay here during high peak season, please book in advance. The Peppers will be the one that I originally want to book for, but this is not too bad. Okay, so this is the Stella apartment. I booked it via booking.com during the peak season in February 2026.